Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming identity and banking so the repair flow can run. Sign into iCloud and open Wallet. Make sure your Apple ID shows the same name and address used for verification. Once done, verify the last four of your social security number and date of birth in Apple Cash settings. Then link a supported debit card or bank account. This establishes the payment path Apple Cash needs to verify and fund transactions immediately. Next, you trigger verification and reset connections to clear transient errors. Force close Wallet, restart your iPhone, and reopen Wallet. This refreshes Apple Pay services. Then tap the Apple Cash card, choose More, and follow identity verification prompts. Supply any requested docs or exact personal info. Mismatches block fixes. If verification stalls, remove and re-add your linked debit card in Wallet to prompt a fresh finish by confirming end-to-end transfers and checking system health. You should attempt a small $1 transfer from Apple Cash to your linked bank to verify funds move. Watch for pending or failed status. Make sure iOS is updated and check Apple system status. Outages block fixes. If the $1 transfer fails or verification remains pending, note the transaction ID and contact Apple support. Provide the ID and your verification steps so they can resolve your Apple Cash issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.